Welcome to 10-Minute Beginner Core. You are not going to be a beginner forever. This workout is not going to have any back flip, kick flip, crunches in it or anything like that. We're boiling it down to the basics. Eventually, as you keep doing this video, you're going to get stronger. Your body adapts so quickly. So there's going to be progressions up here in the corner to make it a little bit harder for each move if you want to grab that option if something's feeling too easy. And it's going to be 45 seconds on, 15-second rest. Trust me, you are going to get stronger. Let's get into it. So to really make this core workout effective, we want to engage our core properly. So I want you to think like you're a big bowl of water and you're cut across at the waist. If you were to arch your back, the water spills out the front. And if you tuck your pelvis underneath you, the water spills out the back of the bowl. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into a bridge here, and we're gonna think tucking our pelvis under, spill the water out the back of the bowl, and then we're gonna lower super slow and flatten our back against the mat. So we're completely flat, and then we're gonna walk our feet out one little step at a time and walk it back in. So this whole workout, it's really important that we keep our back really flat up against the mat. And it's gonna engage our core the whole time. So this exercise is just getting used to moving around, keeping that back flat. Because if your head is back all the way and we have the little arch here, you're kind of just hanging out. So we're gonna engage the core the whole time, walk those feet out. And rest here. We're gonna do a slow roll back next. So we're gonna have our feet out and we're gonna do like a little small halfway kind of sit up and then roll it back here. I want you to take it super slow on the way down. Here we go. And back up. We're gonna breathe in when we lower down and breathe out when we're bringing it back to center upright. Check in with that breathing. Breathing in when we're leaning back, breathing out when we're leaning forward. Our next one is gonna be toe taps. So we're gonna have our arms back, kind of propped up on our elbows, still tucking that pelvis up underneath us. We're gonna have both feet up, and we're gonna one at a time toe tap it out here. Here we go. And again, I'm kind of looking straight forward. We don't have our head back or anything like that. And keep it breathing. You got it. And again, take these as slow as you need to. We're not following a certain pace or anything. We're just pacing it out so that we can complete the whole 45 seconds of the exercise and not have to stop here. And rest here. We're gonna go to a dead bug toe tap. So again, like we just did kind of, we're gonna flatten that back up against the mat. Again, tuck that pelvis under, keep it flat the whole time. We're gonna have our arms up and our feet up. And we're gonna opposite arm with opposite leg, extend. And we're just toe tapping here. So I have my head back on the mat, but I'm really actively thinking about pressing my back up against the mat. Sometimes it helps me to tuck my chin, and that helps me keep my back a little bit flatter against the mat, but I know sometimes your neck just hurts when you do core stuff. So if your head is back, really think about pressing that back to the mat. Rest here. We're gonna go to high flutter kicks. Again, the theme of this workout, press that back against the mat. I'm gonna put my hands kind of underneath my tailbone here, kind of underneath my butt to support me. It does also help keep your back flat against the mat as well. we're gonna go flutter kicks really high and just drop it down as low as you can kind of feel that pressure on your core. So if that's really, really high, or if that's down here, do wherever you can feel it here. Press that back, breathe it out. And rest. Breathe it out, big deep breath here, arms up. Breathe it out, arms back down. We're gonna do a little tabletop crunch here, but we're gonna have our feet flat. So what we're gonna do is arms up above our head, back flat, and we're gonna kind of reach it forward towards those feet. I want you to take a big deep breath in when those arms go up above your head, and breathe it all out whenever they're going towards your feet. Again, follow that breathing. It's gonna help you out. Deep breath when those arms go up. Breathing out when they go back down. You've got it, 10 seconds right here. And rest. We've got a reverse crunch next, so I'm gonna put my hands underneath my tailbone again, like I had it earlier for those flutter kicks. And for this one, I kind of feel like I tuck my chin to really press my back up against the mat. But what we're gonna do is toe tap those feet and then kind of roll them up towards our face. So we're not tapping and going like high towards the ceiling. We're kind of rolling it towards our face, like we're gonna slinky roll ourselves up. So those knees going towards our face. And again, really think about keeping that back flat, not arching. I know sometimes it's easy to just move with the movement, but we're gonna press that back to engage that core. You got it, breathe it out. We're gonna go to single leg lowers. So again, I'm gonna keep my hands up underneath me, and we're gonna go one leg at a time, lowering down, back up, other leg, lowering down and back up. Here we go. Again, it helps me to kind of tuck my chin. This one, I want you to breathe in when that leg drops down. Right here, breathe in. Breathe out when that leg goes back up to meet the other one. And you're gonna follow that breathing pattern for each movement on each leg. And if you need to kind of minimize how low you drop those feet, you can do a little leg lower right here. Breathe it out, keep it breathing, don't hold your breath. I know I do it all the time. We're gonna go to some elbow trikes. So this one, propping those elbows back up again behind us. And we're gonna be triking it out like so. So it's like a bicycle, but the baby version, we're gonna be doing the trikes. Sometimes bicycles are like a little too much for my liking. And breathe it out. This one, I just held my breath for the first 10 seconds of however long we've been doing this. So that's my reminder to tell you, keep it breathing. Keep it moving. Even if you have to go super, super slow, little tiny trikes right here, the goal is to just keep moving through the whole 45 seconds. Even if you do like 3 the whole time, that is all good. Breathe, breathe, breathe right here. We're gonna go for a little sky reach now. So feet flat on the mat here, back flat on the mat, hands up here in the middle. And what we're gonna do is just press up towards the sky and slow lower it back down all the way Here we go. I want you to breathe in when we're going up, breathe out when we're lowering back down. If your neck is hurting here, like mine is, you can put your hands behind your head, and instead of thinking like a crunch, think towards the ceiling, just like if your hands were still up there. Follow that breathing pattern. Right here, less than 5 seconds. You can finish it up. You've made it this far. And rest. Super good job. I'm so proud of you. I hope you're proud of yourself. Again, you will not be a beginner forever. Your body is stronger than you think, and I hope to see you in the next video.